did you?
No, we should go over here or something.
Over where?
This way. There he comes.
Go. Go. Go.
Whoa! I got one. See you, train. All right, we got one. Yes. Finally, we got one.
Yeah, there you go.
Yep. Because the gates went down on us,
Yeah.
and he was going pretty quick.
All right, why don't you come on in